First of all, let's see. The inner frame of the oil painting has two kinds of beveled edges and flat. The beveled side is under the canvas, and the flat side is against the wall. All the wooden frame strips are like this. Don't get them backwards when framing. Now we'll just dock these two frames of different lengths. Then add a little bit of woodworking glue to this bond. In the case of large canvases, there's also this center strip. Of course, if you don't have woodworking adhesive at home, you can leave it out. This isn't necessary. Once a few of the edges are aligned, we can use a hammer or something else hard to knock each edge tight. But pay attention to the angle and strength. Do not knock it crooked. Who's constraining me that can fall asleep? Yeah, however. After knocking it tight, we can place it on a flat surface and use a straight edge or other right-angled object to check that it's not knocked askew. Once the frame was assembled, we began to mount the painting to the frame. As previously stated, the beveled side is under the canvas, flat against the wall. Oil painting centered. The canvases were then fixed with a nail gun starting from the four corners. These four corners are for temporary fixing and will be removed and refixed at a later stage. After the four corners are fixed, we start from the center to the sides with the help of bandage pliers. Nail the first edge a little loosely. And wait until the opposite edge is taut. I'ma take a frozen heart. Someone's gonna make it in the building of my broken part. Someone's gonna fix it. I'm the only one guy with the damn things right. I deserve a sanction in my mind. Once the four sides were nailed in place, we used a nailer to remove the four corners that had been temporarily fixed at the beginning and refixed them. I'm sure you won't forget a door you ever knocked. So I send you a clock to recover the wrap it up like this and hold it tight. I'm losing my sword. Chop off the line between a loving chord. I'ma take a frozen heart. Someone's gonna make it in the building of my broken part. Someone's gonna fix it. Okay, so a frameless painting is mounted. Do the same with canvas frames.